Problem on rhombus. So let us start the question. One diagonal of a rhombus is greater than other by 4 centimeter. If the area of the rhombus is 96 centimeter square, find the side of the rhombus is the question. Diagonals are compared and the question is find the side of the rhombus, right? So let us take up. It is said that one diagonal of a rhombus is greater than other by 4 centimeters. The two diagonals, the length of the two diagonals are compared. And you know that in comparative statement, whatever comes later is taken as x. So what comes later? The other diagonal. So what we will do? Let the length of other diagonal of the rhombus be x centimeter. So what will be the length of the first diagonal? Length of the first diagonal, it is 4 centimeter more than the other. So length of the first diagonal is x plus 4 centimeter. And what is given to us? Area of the rhombus is given 96 centimeter square. And we all know the area of the rhombus formula. What is area of the rhombus? Area of the rhombus is nothing but half into length of one diagonal into length of other diagonal. So as per the given condition, area of the rhombus is 96 is equals to half into length of one diagonal, that is x, into the length of other diagonal, that is x plus 4. Right? Now, this 2 can be cross multiplied. Yeah, 96 into 2 is equals to x square, x into x plus 4, we can write it as x square plus 4x. 96 into 2 is 192 is equals to x square plus 4x. Let us write it like a proper quadratic equation. 0 is equal to x square plus 4x minus 192, or we can write it as x square plus 4x minus 192 is equal to 0. Now, three terms are there. Let us think about splitting the middle term. 192 ones are is 192. Let us do prime factorization of 192. 192 is an even number. We can start dividing it by 2. 2 96 are 2, 48 are 2, 24 are 2, 12 are 2, 6 are 2, 3 are and 3 ones are. Right? The biggest number we have is 3, and look at the last sign. Last sign is minus. Minus means subtracting. Right? We will find two factors of 192 in such a way that by subtracting the two factors we get the middle number. And how to do that you all know. We have to do the grouping here. Middle number is 4. By subtracting we have to get. Right? The group that works out here is 3, 4s are 12, and the remaining numbers if you multiply, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 12 16s are is 192, and that 16 and 12 if you subtract you will get that 4 as required. Right? So the factors of 192 are 16 and 12. Now the signs to be given to both the factors. Since the last sign is minus, the middle sign goes to the bigger factor and opposite sign goes to the smaller factor. So bigger factor gets the plus sign, opposite sign to the smaller factor, which is minus. So we get plus 16 minus 12. So what we get is x square plus 16x minus 12x minus 192 is equal to 0. Or we can also write it as x square minus 12x plus 16x minus 192 is equal to 0. Now let us take common. Out of the first two we can take out x common. What stays inside the bracket is x minus 12. Out of the next two we'll take out 16 common. What stays inside is x minus 12 is equal to 0. So x minus 12 goes out common. What stays inside the bracket is x plus 16 is equal to 0. X minus 12 is equal to 0, or x plus 16 is equal to 0. We get x is equal to 12 or x is equal to minus 16. Right? Since length of the diagonal of the rhombus cannot be negative, x is equal to 16 is not acceptable. So x not equal to minus 16. So what we get is x is equal to 12. Right? Therefore x plus 4 will be what? 12 plus 4, that is equal to 16. Considering the quadrilateral ABCD as a rhombus, so this is the quadrilateral ABCD which is a rhombus. Seg AC is the smaller diagonal we will consider, and seg BC will be the larger diagonal. Smaller diagonal AC's length is 12 centimeter and BD the bigger diagonal. Okay, and we know that the diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Right? So BD is 16. O is a point of intersection of the diagonals AC and BD. Right? And diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors of each other. Right? Now length AO will be half of length AC, which will be nothing but half of 12, which is 6 centimeter. Length BO is nothing but half of BD, which is nothing but half of 16, 8 centimeter. Right? Now AOB, can you see the triangle AOB? AOB is a right angled triangle. Right? In right angled triangle AOB by Pythagoras theorem, length AB square, AB is the hypotenuse. So length AB square is equal to length AO square plus length BO square. So length AB square is equals to 6 square plus 8 square. So length AB square is equals to what? 36 plus 64. Length AB square is equals to 100. So length AB, taking square roots on both sides, we get AB as 10. And the question is find the side of the rhombus. Side of the rhombus means we got AB and sides of the rhombus are equal, we know. We can conclude the final statement. Therefore, the side of a rhombus is 10 centimeter. That completes this sum. Thank you.